It is July 12th, 2024. We're going to go over today's trades. Big losing day, so we need to review it. We had a great week, pretty much all days winners, and we gave it all back in one day. We're going to go over why exactly that happened. Let's look at the top step here. As you can see, this was the positions we took. It's about 3, which is our max position size. We are really looking for a continuation of, yesterday's big sell-off. We had this kind of massive sell-off yesterday. We actually did pretty well yesterday with the narrative. But we just this is our biggest losing trade, is just catching this, trying to catch a knife, not waiting for a breakout pullback, catching a knife on, first of all, this is ES. So ES is kind of bullshit at this point. Because we really have to only use it for support, because NQ is just dominating all of the order flow, and NQ is what matters, and ES is just kind of following along NQ. So they're correlated, but it's not important. So, the easiest way to fix this was to have, a stop here. And we had opportunities to get out here and maybe here, but we had an opportunity to get out here for maybe 700 or something, and we didn't. So, when we're catching these knives, we have to keep the fucking tight stops. My God. Let's look at actually what happened here, though. Let's look at what exactly happened in the narrative here. And so we had this. We're pretty much just trading off higher time frame levels at this point, because the other ones don't seem to matter. But we had, our narrative going into this day was a hold basically below this, or maybe here, a hold below. Kind of just got squeezed out here on this rotation. We're just very weak selling coming in. I was really expecting to maybe see some selling. We're not getting any selling. And we also failed to note that, we don't understand University of Michigan sentiment. We don't know what those numbers mean. So, and I think the numbers basically showed that, hey, inflation isn't going anywhere. The general consensus is inflation is not going anywhere. So, whatever, is what it is. We have to learn. We should maybe make a private database or something, so we have whatever our levels figured out. Flatten out of this. We did really good on all these, on the sim trading. We caught this knife, and we caught this one too. But doesn't matter. Let's look at NQ daily. That's what we're looking at. I guess we'll show it here. So this is ES. So going into the session, it was levels kind of changed from when I started. When did this happen? 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. There's the 10:30 breakout pullback. It was really this line here. This was kind of our line in the sand, and there was another level here at the time. But we were really expecting to, or no, it was here. This is what it was. Jeez, yeah, sorry. It was this. We were going short here, really expecting this thing to continue this downtrend, and it just didn't happen. You can see the order flow on ES was just weak selling, weak selling, weak selling, weak selling. All. So, just trading against, failed to recognize the University of Michigan sentiment was our issue yesterday, or today, and then CPI yesterday. We did okay, CPI, but and these orange lines on the session were very significant. So it was a breakout pullback, these kind of higher time frame, whatever narratives. I'm having a hard time kind of make this bigger here so we can hopefully see this. But yeah, it was we were trying to go short here, and yeah, we just got eaten alive. So a tight stop here. There's another opportunity. The breakout pull. The short here wasn't a bad idea. Worked out for a second. But it's this pullback of this orange line continuation. So, and I think it's just worth noting that in the overall narrative of ES has just been uptrend, uptrend. So taking look how weak all the selling has been. Just no selling. There's positive delta all year. So it's just maybe we should maybe set some base rule, like if we're in an uptrend, a clear uptrend, we're not really looking for that big reversal, unless it's like there's going to be some big news catalyst that works out. But we're in an overall uptrend. The rhythm on the yearly is up, and every single one of our trades that kind of wipes us out are these big bull runs that just run us over, and we're just being so contrarian. You can see we had a great trade idea here. This is the breakout pullback that happened earlier. It looks like we're retesting it. We'll see. I mean, yeah, I just wanted to review that so we can just document our big losers. Just are always these. It's first of all it's always shorts. Getting a short, and this was kind of it was this 10. This is the same thing as 10 o'clock breakout pullback. These are these big moments, and kind of failed to recognize this. Anyway, I don't think there's anything else